Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-alright. Jump pack tayo ngayon today. This is the day 24 of our daily message. Before we begin, I would like to give you a couple of shouts out. Shout out to Tanza Table Tennis, led by Ran Adelantar. And also shout out to Benjo Manalese of Tarlac. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa ating sport. And of course, I would like also to greet a very happy birthday to our legend, Richard Gonzalez.
Happy birthday, Richard!
Yun. Hindi ko alam kung magpapakain ba si Richard.
Papunta tayo. Hindi kasama si Jayco. Dapat kasama si Jayco para masaya.
Alright. A Hall of Fame athlete who has given so much to Philippine table tennis. We thank you for your dedication, inspiration, and legacy. Nakakatuwa makita parami ng parami ang sumusuporta at nagpo-promote ng table tennis sa iba't ibang lugar. Now, let me share today's message, mga kabongers. Today, I want to talk about something important. Winning is learning. Winning versus learning. Maraming players, ang mindset ay kailangan manalo. And yes, winning is important. You know. But here is the truth. Not every game is meant for you to win. Some games are meant for you to learn. Every loss has a lesson. Every mistake is a chance to improve. If you only focus on winning, mahirap yun. Madali kang ma-frustrate. Mawawala ang confidence mo. Mababawasan. But if you focus on learning, mas mabilis ka mag-improve. So play to learn. Maganda yan. Mas lumalakas ang mental game mo dahil relax. Learning. Relax ang mind. To all the players out there, don't be afraid to lose. Yan. Be afraid of not learning. Because in the long run, players who learn becomes champion. Winning will come. But growth comes from learning. Yun. Shout out natin mga PW players, alright? Yes. And sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. And if you believe in this message, kapongers, tulungan nyo kong i-share ito mga videos natin, mga vlog natin para sa inyo po ito. Para mas marami tayong maabot na mga kapongers natin. At marami din silang natututunan. So this is Coach Ting again. This is my day 24 of our daily message. See you again tomorrow from the world of table tennis. Bye!